عندما التزمنا باستضافة كاب 28 التزمنا أيضا بجمع
COP28, nous nous sommes engagés à réunir le monde entier pour s'unir, travailler et arriver à des solutions ensemble.
ونعمل على تسريع انتقال العالم إلى النمو الاقتصادي المستدام.
Nous sommes en train de trouver des chemins pratiques pour accélérer la transition du monde entier vers une croissance économique.
The lack of readily available and affordable climate finance has long been one of the biggest obstacles in advancing climate action globally. Therefore, I am pleased to announce the establishment of a $30 billion fund
يسرني الإعلان عن إنشاء
Once again, I am pleased to announce the establishment of a $30 billion fund for global climate solutions.
والذي تم
This fund
لسد فجوة
is specifically designed to bridge the climate finance gap, ensuring availability and accessibility as well as affordability at scale.
يهدف الصندوق إلى
Its objective is to stimulate the raising and investment of $250 billion by 2030.
30. حضور الكريم
Ladies and gentlemen,
قبل أن أختتم
before I close,
كلمتي اسمحوا لي
I would like to tell you a short story.
قائد آمن بحب الأرض.
It's a story about a pioneer that believed in loving nature and his land and preserving its resources.
مع شعبه
A leader that worked hand in hand with his people in order to cultivate this great land.
أن الثروة الحقيقية للدول
He was always aware
في أبنائها
that the true wealth is the people.
وإنجازاتنا اليوم
Our accomplishments stand witness
تقبل أكثر إشراقا إن شاء الله.
for all that he has set the ground for
ساده
in order to achieve a future
الشيخ زايد طيب الله ثراه.
that is brighter than ever. He is the leader, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, founding father of the UAE.
مؤسس الدولة رمز حضارتها
He stands as a symbol of its civilization
وصانع
and a pivotal,
حاضرها
the vital role played by him in order to create and shape the past, present, and future of this land. Thank you.